just did my hair and makeup and everything, so right now I'm gonna do breakfast. To go to gym in the morning, but I couldn't wake up. Today is a self-care day. Do stuff that I can mostly alone other than meeting friends, so come along with me. I'm trying to be healthy as possible, but when I'm out with my friends, I always eat junk food or fat food, whatever. So yeah, I'm gonna brush my teeth and then dress up. I'll probably go to gym in the evening or swim, we'll see, but yeah. I have to learn to hide. One thing at a time, emotions. Hey guys, so right now I'm going to pack my stuff. Okay, so I just packed my stuff and then I'm gonna find some workspace. The weather is nice today, so it's perfect. So on my chill day, I normally just film video, gym, edit videos, write songs, doing those creative stuff. Now I'm back in my room and then I'm gonna go swim.
Like damn, she in her mood. Like damn, she in her mood.
Okay, now I'm gonna go to the swimming pool. There is no one there. Oh my god, that's good. I'm gonna bring some drinks as well actually, so.
In the party, he just wanna romp.
This
Big
is
boobs in the bus, they pump. She a baddie, she knows she.
My hair, like one side is short and one side is long, like hello. I was gonna go to the rooftop swimming pool, but it's very sunny. I don't want to be more tan than this, so I decided to come down here.
She in her mood. Like damn, she in her mood. Like damn, she in her mood. She lit, get money too. Like damn, she in her mood.
Okay.
No friends, I don't fuck with the fakes. Saying they love me, but one in my place. Step in the party, I'm looking the baddest. So the paparazzi in my face.
You haven't
Really
reached
bitch, but I
this
came from the gutter.
side.
Said
You
I'll
would
be lit by the
listen
end
to
of the summer.
your
And I'm
one.
proud that I'm still getting bigger. Going viral is getting them sicker. Like what? Let's keep it a buck. Bitch too boring, I'm stuck in a rut. Let me keep it going.
Let's go to the side.
truck.
So after swimming, I changed to this plain black dress. Our friend is coming. We're gonna be outdoor cooking, probably barbecue. So yeah. So now we're just buying food right now. Hi, so this is Kate. So yeah, we grabbing knife and you know all the utensils. Okay.
Like damn, she in her mood. Like,
Say hi. What's your name?
Hello, my name is Elia.
And that's Lucas. He's from France.
Exactly,
Yeah,
yeah.
and who's that? Mike.
damn, she in her mood. Damn.
So now we are in the process. That's a salad made by Kate.
Actually, she doesn't cook, she just cuts something.
please.
She mix it in a bowl. You touch me when you touch the lettuce, I don't want to eat it. Huh?
That's the chef.
Jump.
Oh, you are the chef. But who is this? Not a chef. So now we are touring the apartment. You go swim. 1, 2.